welcome to Life with Grizz. I'm Grizz. Hi. Today's a little bit different. Today is concrete day. I'm filming this after the concrete. But on the video, you're gonna see what it took to do this beauty right here. Really nice. It goes up over here, and there's a big pad over there, which we're gonna end up building a sunroom. So that's gonna be on another video. So I hope you guys enjoy the video, what it took. Sidewalk over there goes all the way back and goes around, and then eventually we're gonna get a little hot tub over here. It'd be nice. I need it. The old man get very sore sometimes. Wow. So hope you guys enjoy the video. Stay tuned, give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe. I really appreciate it. Thanks guys, hope you enjoy the video. Bye. We got the pump coming in, and today is concrete day. Randy and his crew are doing a great job. Look at that. Moved the AC, and this is all gonna be concrete work. And then on the next video, I'll go ahead and put together, this is gonna be the build of the mud room right here. So I'll film the concrete work getting put in. It's definitely a big deal. And we're gonna have a 10 by 12 mud / sunroom. Thanks for watching Life with Grizz. Please like, subscribe, and make sure you click on that notification button. Get to watch all the activity here in Big Fork, Montana, what we're doing to beautify the house. Look at that. That's pretty impressive right there. Concrete truck has arrived. Gonna fill it up, fill up the hopper full of concrete. Concrete goes up there, and then down to the other side. Dump truck number 2, or cement truck number 2. It's a lot of concrete. Guy Joe, he does the finishing work. Hot tub's gonna go there. Here, finished. It's complete. It's almost dried out. Smooth section here. This is where the mud / sunroom is going to be. Like I said, it's a 10 by 12 enclosed room. Pretty much all windows. And they brushed the edges. This is the walkway. Back and forth on the outside of the building. And everything is brushed here. It's still drying. Takes from 24 to 36 hours to cure. Did a great job. Here's the patio. Eventually get a hot tub right here. And then there's the walkway. Meets the front sidewalk. Great work. Randy did a great job. Him and his crew. And then Pooh Bear's idea about rounding the corners. What an idea. See? I don't have all the great ideas. Between her and I, we're damn near perfect. Well, everyone, thanks for watching Life with Grizz. Hope you enjoyed this, and I will create more video once we start doing the sun and mud room, which is, I believe, they're going to start building that next week or 2 weeks after that. And also the side garage is almost complete. Stay tuned for the video coming up on that one. All right, until next time, take care, guys. Bye.